Hello. Today I'll show you how to easily glue damaged Beats Solo headphones with Superglue and Baking Soda hack. It really doesn't matter if they are Beats Solo 1, Solo 2 or Solo 3 headphones. All headphones can be glued using this Superglue and Baking Soda hack method. To do this, you will need superglue, a match to put baking soda on the superglue, of course baking soda, black nail polish, painter's tape, insulation tape, and metal files. As you see, the headphones look like new, and I might even can try sell them to a friend, but if you look closely you can see that they are broken. The headband at the hinge side is broken. Pull carefully a slightly wider gap, where you will be able to put glue better, but wider gap carefully, not to damage the wires. Then use painter's tape to tape the places where you don't want see superglue. This needs to be done because the superglue flows and can damage other places. Put glue all around. You can bend the sides a little, so you can press the glue in more. Once you have pressed the glue in, press the two sides of the headphones together like they should be new. And put headphones in such a position that the connected parts stick together correctly. After a couple of hours, when the glue has hardened, apply a new layer of superglue with baking soda powder on top. Together with the superglue, this will create instant cement. Do the same on the inside. Don't save the baking soda. The glue will take as much as you need. You can't add too much baking soda. Then take your grandmother's toothbrush and wipe off the excess baking soda. Then apply the superglue over the top again, press it into all the gaps. And again, put baking soda on top superglue. After a few seconds, you can wipe off the excess baking soda, and do the same on the outside. And again apply superglue over the top, both inside and outside. And again apply baking soda. Wipe off the rest baking soda. In my case, I applied 3 or 4 coats. Carefully remove all painting tape, and apply new painting tape. Take your grandmother's nail files and peel off any instant cement roughness. Wipe off any splinters. Then take your grandfather's nail varnish, ideally in the color of the headphone's body color, in my case it is black. And apply the nail polish to all the places where the glue has been applied. This will make the headphones look a bit better, less obvious. And remove the painter's tape before the nail varnish has dried. Apply nail polish where you still need to hide glue marks. This is the end result. If you're happy with it, wait for the nail polish to dry and you can start using the headphones. Personally, I prefer to have insulation tape over the top. It gives extra durability and seems to look better. Apply a few layers of insulation tape and cut it off on the inside, so that the end of tape is not visible from the outside. This is the result with the insulation tape. Which do you like better, nail polish finish, or insulating tape? Headphones glued in this way will last a very long time. Never an instant cement place has been broken, but if you keep the headphones continue to use carelessly, they will break in a place other than the glued one. If you don't like the look of a glued headband, you can order a new headband and replace it, but that will cost at least $20 or 10 times more than gluing. As always, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe buttons for this video. Good luck, my friend.